Verify your Airtm account. Once you have opened your account, it is important that you verify it in order to be able to operate without limits. Follow these simple steps from your computer, which must have a camera, or from your mobile device. Log into your account. Click on Settings, Verification, and Verify Documents now. Select the issuing country of the document with which you will perform the identity verification. Choose the type of document you want to use. Upload a clear photo of the current document of your choice. If you are doing the verification from the phone, click on Take a Selfie. If you are verifying from the computer, click on Upload Photo. Capture a selfie that clearly shows your face. The verification will be under review for up to 24 hours. That's it! Once your account is verified, you will be able to make unlimited and secure transactions.